The warning ADB Disabled in a Subaru car means that the adaptive driving beam in your headlights doesn't work. This may happen when the system can't properly communicate with one of the headlights or with the ADB module. Usually owners see this warning after they replace one of the headlights or both of them. First of all, in this case, you need to properly cycle the system to try to make the system communicate properly. You may try to turn the adaptive lights off and on in the settings, but this will likely give no results. The best thing would be to disconnect the battery cables, then disconnect both headlights or the headlight that you've replaced. While headlights are disconnected, have a look at the connector and wiring. Any damage here may cause this issue, like a broken wire or a corroded pin in the connector. Then reconnect the headlights firmly and connect the battery cables back. Now the ADB system will try to communicate with all the units and it may start working. If you actually replaced the headlights, check if they are of the proper type and support ADB, because if they don't, there is nothing you can do with that warning. If you have the OEM headlights and still see this ADB disabled warning, the problem is most likely with wiring somewhere between the ADB control module and headlights, and there is nothing much you can do on your own in this case. You will need help from a good car electrician to test all the connections and see if the module still works.